Well, here we are again, up here at the top of the driveway. There goes my brother-in-law down there. But we tore this tree out here today. It's no longer there. That one right there, it's gone. She's gone. And then me and Uncle Gene, of course, cleared out all that area over there against that fence row. See how that looks, Daddy? We did damn good. We got all them trees knocked back that we knocked down from over here. We drug them over there with that backhoe and buried them over there. Hey, that looks a lot like fishing. If you catch it, I get to eat some. My brother-in-law. But see, me and Uncle Gene right now, this tree right here, that's a dead son of a buck. So allow me to walk around like this here, give Daddy a little bit better view of what that looks like. See, Daddy, this is the one. Okay, and I'll walk out this way, Daddy, so you can see how it's leaning and the way it looks. But that's where Uncle Gene cleared all that stuff. He didn't get to that over there right directly behind the kennel. But there's all them trees back there where you told us to put them. And of course, like I said, there's my brother-in-law over there throwing him a line. I'm hoping we get to eat something. But see, there's that dead tree, Dad. Right there. Right there. And it's, when it goes, we'll see what happens. Laura, I want you to record this.
Maybe I should move the other direction. What do you think? How we gonna do this? You want to?
I'm gonna pick you up there and you as high as you can.
All right. Now, do you think I ought to give me a piece of rope like this right here? Swing that son bitch up there, and then we can hook the chain onto it.
Well,
I
you
can
need
throw
to
the
take
rope.
take chain up there with you.
No, I understand that. But what I'm saying is, I'm gonna throw the rope around the tree, and then we'll tie the chain on it, and I can pull the chain up. Because I can throw the rope a hell of a lot higher than I can that chain. And I ain't got to worry about it busting me up if it comes down and doesn't catch anything.
Well, you do whatever the fuck you want to do, man. You're the main man here. All I am is the piss head of the operator.
You're the piss head.
I'm the piss head. You're the operator.
Okay.
I'm gonna take you up high as you can, and you throw a fucking chain high as you can. Oh, I can come around. My backhoe is going higher than that bucket. flat on the bucket and have to stretch the bucket out that way. And I bounce you a little bit and bust your balls.
Alright, let me go get this chain. You lied. Give me one of them Uncle Zine ones.
He's got one. He's smoking one
No,
right
he's
now.
smoking a cigar. He wanted a cigarette.
You took my cigarette.
Well,
I had to go
one
all the way
is
back
wet.
upstairs to get me one.
All the way back upstairs. What?
Yeah, man.
100 foot.
Cigarette, if you got one, I'll buy you a pack. Don't fucking worry about it.
Give me my effing cigarette back, man. I need a...
I just thought you want. Oh, hell yeah. That's pretty good. Shit.
Put them up. Put them up.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm drunk. Get up
I
there.
took one puff. Get out of your ass. Let's go.
Hell, Adrian, you want to stand on my shoulders while we do this?
I figured maybe something would bite a line today, but I ain't had no bites on nothing out there.
Well, you start out from good love.
You didn't get a bite on anything?
I think we'll pretty well fish it out.
Well, Daddy
Hey,
ain't
look,
stocked it in a while.
It'll take a minute to blame that son of a bitch. You catch all of them where you want. You will run twice.
One moment I will be. I'm trying to make sure all my pockets are closed.
All right, pulling down well.
You pay me extra dollars. Thank you, Ed.
All right.
This becomes trust issues.
Lay on my back.
Yes.
This is where Brian becomes a stunt man. Yeah, it's got planes you fall backwards. Yeah, we stuck these ladders after the last ladder through them twice. 25 feet up in the air.
That's how I go. About your ass.
Yeah, you bounced me. Made my ass try to eat my shorts.
There's my whole left.
Oh, that's not even going to be anything. They're going to break off. Now, I said you need to move. I said she'll be needing to move out of the way for this one.
Hey, Uncle T. Are we gonna take the tractor on the other side of the fence and pull it that way?
Oh, it's this way. That's all the fence. Take the tractor on the outside the fence. If it mounts, that fucking top's gonna fall right on top of the tractor. And you ain't buying the fucking tractor. Just do the best you can, fuck the rest of it.
Oh, that is so hollow sounding.
That's what it's all over. Ain't bad. There's no two laps around that thing, around that motherfucker again.
I lost my.
But how do you do it?
There it
Do
is.
it. You're the supervisor up there. And if you fuck up, it's like it's all somebody else.
Yeah. Well, let me get another wrap on that on the tree.
Well, you don't go, bro. You can, all of them more, they'll hit you. Been working 3 all your fucking life, and you work no longer.
Damn, did I do it again? Now, something doesn't seem right with this picture.
Now let me skedaddle up out of here.
What? Got it?
Now you just gonna turn the bucket?
Huh?
You just gonna turn the bucket?
No, I'm gonna let you down if you got it. No, don't chain nothing. Put the chain loose and hook up the other chain. So I don't have to raise you back up, buddy. Now I'm getting drunk, looking up. Alright. Let's take that thing and make me drunk. Just drop this fucking chain. If you're not gonna stay on free up there. Are you ready to pack up?
No, sir, not yet.
Well, as you can hear, this tree is dead.
Okay, you can let me down.
Let me back up a little.
Yes, sir.
I'll probably be doing, but
Try to be quick.
Now, as you can see,
Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Let's see how this goes.
now he's got to
He's
get
gonna
out
pull
of this
it way.
yard.
He can pull it this way, but I'm telling you, that tree's coming down on the fence. Daddy don't seem to think so. I do.
No, I think
Daddy's
it's
not
going to
standing out
come.
here looking at it. But she's a hell of an operator. Uncle Gene's a hell of an operator. Uncle Gene can do a lot of amazing shit with a piece of heavy equipment. So we'll see what happens.